Hey guys, Jay Massey here, CEO of Cashflow Diary. Welcome back to the channel. It's a place where if you are trying to build a real estate portfolio and you're willing to explore the world of short-term rentals, well, we can help you do that. In this particular video, what happened is that during one of our Q&A sessions, a student was asking just about internal communications. When you're running a short-term rental business, there's a lot of communication that happens just between you and your vendors and partners. Maybe your cleaning crew, maybe you have a maintenance staff. There's a lot of communication that goes on. Being able to systematize that, streamline that, and most importantly, make it efficient so that it doesn't add time and delays that your customers experience is important. So in this video, we go over a number of ways to make that happen, specifically as it relates to your cleaning crew. We have found a new cleaning company. Yay, we really like them, but they want us to provide them a calendar link because they use a VR scheduler. They will give us access to it and everything, but it does create two systems for us since our other cleaners for different properties are in turnover B&B. Any advice on this? Okay, so in this particular, well, John, this is funny coming from you. Because what I would want to know is they use a VR scheduler. So here's literally what I would do. So I guess this is pretty helpful, me being able to. I'm kind of glad I figured out how to do this screen share thing easier, because it makes it easier in some cases for me to actually answer some questions. So I'm going to pull up VR scheduler, I believe is what you called it, right here. Okay, got it. So here's what I would begin to look for. All right, so like I know, John, if they've got these kind of integrations, my guess is they have an open API, as you can see. So I mean, you're a programmer, dude. Write the API that does what it needs to do. That's honestly my first thought. Just write the API that needs to do what it needs to do, so that they can have it the way that the way that they want. That's literally what it comes down to. However, I'm also seeing that it has a Logify plugin right here, so maybe there's something between your Logify and their scheduler that could also, it might actually already be written in this particular case. So that's really the first thing that came to my mind right there. So that's what I would do. Now, most everybody else, please ignore what I just said. Okay. So yes, John has a different set of skills in this particular case. What about, okay, so John, what about this? What about creating what about creating a hook that only happens, or maybe if this, then that'll do it? Here's what's going through my head, is if a Trello card is created only on completion of said task, letting you know that it's done. That way you can just look at the Trello board, but I guess technically then you have another potential point of failure, because if that integration happens to fail, you'll think it's not done. I don't know. Just that's what's going through my head. If you like information like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. And do us a favor. When you click like, it tells YouTube that more entrepreneurs need to see this information. So do that for us too. Thanks.